starting today, the 21st of October 2019. Now, before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winners of the contest from the previous video. The winner from the YouTube comments is Marcus, and the winner of the flexible volume profile from the Facebook comments is Romeo. So, congratulations guys, and also thanks so much everybody for participating. Now, I'll do another contest for the next week. The prize of the contest will be flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. And what you need to do to participate in a contest is just to leave a comment below this video. I'll upload the video on Facebook and also on YouTube, so you can leave your comment on Facebook or on YouTube. And the next week in the next video, I'll just randomly pick one winner to get the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's it for a contest. Let's now go into the trading ideas which I prepared for you for today. The first one is actually from my members area. It's on the euro dollar. Before you can see three charts. This one is a 60-minute chart of euro dollar. This is a weekly profile. It's a weekly fixed profile. This chart shows 30-minute chart of the euro dollar, and it shows daily profiles. And the last chart, this one is a 30-minute chart of euro dollar. And in here I use flexible volume profile. Now the trading idea which is in here is a support, intraday support at 1.1143, and it is based on the trend setup. As you can see, the euro is pushing aggressively upwards. So in case like that, I'm looking for significant volumes to participate in the uptrend. So in here what I did was I looked into this buying area and I identified heavy volume cluster in here. Heaviest volumes in this volume cluster are in this area, 1.1143, and I think that the buyers who are currently pushing the price upwards were adding to their buying positions there. So when the price gets back to this level again, I think it's pretty likely that those guys will start defending their buying positions. They'll become active again and they'll push the price upwards from this level again. Now, there's also one very nice confirmation of the level. Maybe you've noticed in here, the price reacted very aggressively to this level in the past, or I should say to this zone in the past, because not exactly to the level, but it reacted very closely to the level which we have, which means that this was a strong resistance in the past. And when price went past the resistance in here, the resistance then became a support. Alright, so not only we have the trend setup, which means this volume cluster created within the trend, but also we have a confirmation setup, which is the resistance becoming support setup. Now let's go into the Australian dollar or Japanese yen. There's a strong uptrend currently. The price is pushing aggressively upwards. So what we do in such a case is we use the flexible volume profile over the trend area. So we use it like this. Now in here there are three very significant volume clusters. This one, and this one. All those volume clusters are signs of buyers adding to their buying positions and pushing the price upwards. And that's the reason I think that those are strong support zones. The first one is in here. It's at 73.79, and it is based on this significant volume cluster. There were pretty massive volumes accumulated in here before the start of this strong buying activity. So I think that when the price makes a pullback to this level again, those buyers will be defending their buying positions, they'll become active, and they are likely to push the price upwards from this level again. Now the second level in here, based on volumes created in this rotation, this is another very strong support. It's at 73.47, and the logic is the same. Buyers adding to their buying positions in here, afterwards pushing the price upwards. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that those buyers will become active and they are also likely to push the price upwards from this level again. Now with the third level, third strong support is in here. It's at 73.18 and it is based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on those massive volumes which got accumulated before start of this whole strong buying activity. Now, I think that the buyers who initiated this buying activity were building up their positions in here, in this rotation, and afterwards they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that those buyers will be likely to defend their buying positions and to push the price upwards from this level again. By the way, you can also see those levels very nicely on the weekly profile. It is this profile. This is the first support level. Those are the volumes in here. I hope you can see them. Then the point of control of the whole week is in here. This is point of control, very strong level. And a nice confirmation of the level. And then also very significant volumes are in here. Hopefully you can see them. This is where the volumes were the heaviest. Exactly at our long level. Alright, so those are three significant support levels on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's now move on into the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Now in here, on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, there are two significant intraday support levels. The first one is in here, and it is based on the volume accumulation setup. As you can see, there was a rotation, which was followed by aggressive and strong buying activity today. So, in this rotation, the heaviest volumes accumulated there were right there at this strong support level at 0.8993, and I think that the buyers who are currently pushing the price upwards were building up their buying positions in here. So when there is a pullback, I think that those buyers will become aggressive and they'll start pushing the price upwards again. Now there's very nice confirmation of the level. It is rejection of this level in the past, meaning that it was a strong resistance, and when the price went past it, it became a support. Alright, so that's the confirmation of the volume-based level. Now, if you look in here, there was also a significant volume cluster, volume accumulation setup, price went upwards from it, downwards, then the price reacted to the heaviest volumes, went upwards again. So this level is already tested, but there's another one. It's in here, 0.8920, and it is based on the trend setup. There was a trend, and within the trend there was a significant volume cluster created. So the buyers who were pushing the price upwards were adding to their buying positions in here, and afterwards you can see this aggressive buying activity which they initiated. So when the price makes it back to this level, I think that those buyers are likely to start buying again, defending their buying positions and to push the price upwards from this level again. Now let's move on into the last trading idea of this video. It's on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So this is a workspace for the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And the strong intraday support which I have in here is at 81.92, and it is based on volume accumulation setup. Now there were pretty massive volumes accumulated in this whole rotation area before this strong buying activity started. And because of this strong buying activity, I think that in this area strong buyers were building up their buying positions. So they were building up their buying positions in here, afterwards initiated strong buying activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those guys who initiated the strong buying activity will become aggressive again. They'll start defending their buying positions and they'll try and push the price upwards from this level again. Now, if you look at the weekly profile, you can see that this is very significant level also from the weekly. The level is in here. You can see that the volumes are pretty massive right there. It's not the point of control of the week. The point of control of the week is in here, but still those volumes are very significant. It's the second strongest place on the previous week's weekly profile. Alright, so that's for the strong support on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And if you guys liked the video and if you would like to follow me every day and trade with me every day, you are very welcome to do so. You can join my pro trading course. You just go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and in here you go to Dale's Forex course. You scroll down this page a bit, and in here you can purchase lifetime membership. Now what I recommend is getting this package, because not only it includes the lifetime membership in my pro trading course, but also you'll get the volume profile which I used in today's video. So this one, it's a lifetime license of flexible volume profile and fixed volume profile. Those are professional volume profiles which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform. So you'll get that along with the trading course. Both are lifetime licenses. You can also use the volume profile for multiple computers. It's also a pretty handy thing. Currently there is a fall special, a pretty big sale actually, and you can purchase the whole package for just $297, which is actually the lowest price there ever was for this package. So it's a good opportunity for you guys to jump in, enjoy the course. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found the trading ideas interesting. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next week, guys, and until then, happy trading.